What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we have another update on Filecoin. It has gone crazy, guys, over 100% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at $3.40. However, it did hit $3.80 literally about an hour ago. So we'll be going through what is going on with Filecoin, why is it pumping so much, even though the crypto market including Bitcoin is down to $100,000 right now. Is Filecoin a good investment right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it a sell, or should you hold on to it for the long term? That's what we'll be going through and looking at its short term and long term prediction. Again, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. First of all, RSI is at, well, one of the lines are at 43 and the other one is at 80. A huge difference here. However, the more realistic one is 80, which means the crypto is overvalued by quite a bit. So I am predicting a price correction to take place over the coming hours, even though yes, it is likely to pump up to around 360, 370 over the next couple of hours. Towards the end of the day, early hours of tomorrow morning, it is likely to take a little dip heading back down. It did get very close to $4 earlier today, literally about an hour or 2 hours ago, and then it has dropped back down right now. And looking at the red line here, it is at $2.51. However, the crypto is trading at a way higher value here at $3.45. And again, this is another indicator telling us the crypto is more on the overvalued side. So a price correction is likely to take place. So looking at its historical data, there hasn't been many times where the crypto did head out from the red line here, but when it did, such as here, it ended up dropping back down, going for a correction. Similarly here in July earlier this year, it literally went out of the red line and then went for a correction, dropping back down. And similarly, when it does go below the green line here, it pumps back up. So at the moment, we can see, comparing to previous times, it is way over the red line. So a major correction is likely to take place over the weekend. Zooming into the hourly chart here, it's already started to hit both red and green candles. It is likely to stabilize around its current price range of 350, 360. So essentially something like along the lines of this is what I'm predicting to take place over the next 24 to 48 hours, dropping closer down to the $3 mark, potentially lower than that, and then increasing in value, potentially heading closer to $5 in the second half of November. Again, the crypto has gone insane, and we can see here the trading volume has also gone up nearly 1,000% in the last 24 hours at $3.44 billion, guys. 24 hours ago, the trading volume was at 276 million. So that shows how many people have been trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. So yes, it may be a good time to invest into it, only if you're into it for the long term, because for the short term, as I mentioned, a price correction is likely to occur over the next day and a half, and also going into the weekend. Bringing on the MACD indicator on the hourly chart, we can see that the MACD line is looking very bullish, and I'm expecting it to look the same on all three charts. The reason it's looking so steep, heading in a bullish direction, is obviously the pump that has been taking place over the last 3 days. So over the last week itself, it has gained a massive 132%, but clearly majority of it did come from the last 3 days. So if we look here, since 5th of November all the way up until earlier to right now, it has gained 156% in the space of 72 hours. So that shows as how much value it has gained and how overvalued it is as well. And for it to be sustainable, as mentioned, a price correction is necessary. So that is why I'm predicting it to drop back down. Don't get me wrong, in the long term, I am predicting it to hit $5, $6, $7, potentially heading closer to $10. Not at the moment, but going into Q1, Q2 of 2026, they should be getting closer to the $10 mark, especially that I am also predicting Bitcoin to be going for an increase in value, potentially heading closer to around $130,000, $135,000 in Q1 of 2025. We should see majority of the cryptocurrencies going for an increase in value. But again, if you guys do want regular updates on Filecoin, make sure to comment down below and I'll be sure to do that for you guys. But at the moment, by the end of the year, potentially hitting $5, $5.50 is what I'm predicting at the moment. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys predicting Filecoin to head up to by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, which I'll be doing in late December. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll catch you guys all in my next crypto update. Until then, take care and peace.